It snowed in Glasgow overnight, so I thought it would be a good idea to take my 1989 Mark 1 MR2 out for a drive. The roof on this car has been leaking, so I have got a cover on. I've got this package which has an original Mark 1 MR2 radio which we're going to fit to the car today. I found a private road and decided to do some donuts, of course, and I've never done anything like this before, so I'm still working on the technique. Then I was practicing kicking out the back end and controlling it just by counter steering and using the throttle. After some practice, I decided to try a 180-degree turn. And here we have an original Mark 1 MR2 radio, and you know what, that's in amazing condition considering the age. Okay, old one out. This is a nice one as well, Sony tape deck, and it's got a CD changer. Unplug everything. I hope this radio works, it is untested. Oh, come on. There we go. Are these the original plugs? I think so. So there we go. There we go. I think they are, because you can kind of tell from the wires. Alright, please may this radio work. Please. Actually, I think it's been hacked a bit just to put different speakers in, not the actual wiring. So that in there. That looks so good. It suits the car really well. I'm really happy with that. If it works, obviously I'll get it put into the, because look, it fits that cubby as well perfectly. And I'll obviously get this screwed in properly to the brackets and get the cover and everything on. Okay, will it work? Okay, what happened there? Oh, it's working!
I won't moan and I won't beg, oh if I ever lose.
And I'll end the video with one more clip sliding in the snow, and if you enjoy car content, make sure that you subscribe to the channel.